Last week, 8 Limpopo matriculants of 2015 took the National Department of Education to court after their results for life science had been held back due to allegations of irregularities. The court has ordered the department to finish their investigations and give these learners an answer by tomorrow. Our producer, Vania van der Heever, and cameraman, Masabata Ralitabo, travelled to Limpopo, and this is the story they brought back for us.
While many matriculants of 2015 have started their year at different tertiary institutions across the country, the future looks bleak for these 8 learners of the Waterval High School in Elim in Limpopo. These 8 learners have taken the Department of Education to the Polokwane High Court to fight for their matric results. This follows after allegations of irregularities during the exams. According to the National Department of Education, a life science question paper leaked during the final matric examination, and due to this reason, 19 learners in Limpopo province did not receive the results for this subject. Elijah Mhlanga, the national spokesperson for the department, had attended the court proceedings on the 19th of January.
Now, during the examinations of grade 12 in 2015, we received information that there had been an examination paper which had been leaked, and some matriculants had access to that exam paper before it was written.
According to him, certain students had confessed to irregularities during the exam, and therefore the department needs to act.
We launched an investigation. We started questioning certain people, and a number of them actually confessed that they had seen the paper before it was written. And we monitored those learners. We allowed them to continue with the examinations, but we blocked, as per Umalusi's instruction, the results of those learners that were involved. We had 19 of them in the Vembe district of the Limpopo Education Department of Education.
Ms. Langa said it is the learners' right to take the matter to court.
So what we have done now is to inform the court that we want to follow the law in terms of the guidelines that are available for us in terms of the way we manage irregularities. So we are doing exactly that now. We are saying we are committed to completing the investigations as quickly as possible so that the learners are not compromised. We want them to have access to their results as quickly as possible, but unfortunately we also need to follow the law.
Mhlanga says if these students are found guilty, they could be banned from the results for years.
Various things can happen if they are found guilty. The first one is that they might be required to rewrite that particular paper. Alternatively, they will have to be banned, to face a ban for a year, and the maximum is 3 years. We'll have to see. It will really depend on the extent of the involvement.
Mlungisi Mabunda represented the 8 students in the Polokwane High Court. This is what he had to say.
Well, we all surprised as to what is the criteria the department has followed, actually, because everyone else within the province has been affected. They had to sit for a second examination, but only 8 learners in Waterval High School have been affected.
This is Nhlanhla Nkomo, one of the 8 students who took the Department of Education to court. According to her, they only found out about these allegations when they arrived at school on the 6th of January to collect their results.
This happens when the principal called us on the 6th when I'm supposed to fetch my result with my friends. Then he told us that some of us wouldn't get the statement. They have given us the letter from the government saying that they will be hearing on the 19th, on the 19th and the 21st of January. And this is too late because the university are already closed and I have registered at Unven for nursing at Pretoria.
For her, the news of the allegations came as a surprise.
I didn't even see the question paper or the memorandum. I was surprised when the principal told us that some of us are picked. They picked us for these allegations, and I didn't know anything about this. So I was so surprised, and I didn't know anything about this question paper.
This student's dreams of becoming a nurse might not materialize due to the investigation.
I'm so depressed and so in pain right now because I'm not doing anything with my life. I'm just stuck in this village and doing nothing. So yeah, I have a bright future ahead of me, but there is nothing I can do about it. So I just stay at home doing nothing the whole year.
This mother says she will not rest until her daughter's name is restored.
So the department must be sued, and they must pay for that time, from the 6th until this time. My daughter should be at the tertiary level.
On the 26th of January, these 8 learners will find out whether they get their matric results or not. Vania for Morning Live in Limpopo.